Stunning 4-bedroom/3-bath pool home in Coral Heights. 2 master suites with split floor plan, one of which was converted from a 2-car garage. Use one room for an at-home office/studio and another for a guest room with ensuite bathroom. Kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and double ovens, gas water heater and stove, crown molding, laundry room, lots of storage, beautiful landscaping. Patio areas for outdoor entertaining, saltwater system in the heated pool and jacuzzi west/waterfall into pool and pool fountain has remote LED lights. Outdoor grill area with exhaust. Bonus, whole house gas generator to run your AC and appliances when electric goes out. Easy access to US 1, I-95 and 5.